Hey guys, Legal Noggin here, and welcome to our program today. We wanted to talk about something that we get a lot of calls about in our law firm, and that is the Family Medical Leave Act. As I've told you before, we don't have time to get into all the specific details that you would find in the Act. It's a large statute, but we wanted to give you some basics about the Family Medical Leave Act to try to help those out there that may need a little bit of education about it. First of all, to qualify, you need to contact your supervisor or your human relations or human resource director and talk to them about what you need. It has to be a serious medical condition, often something like something that will put you in the hospital for a period of time, surgery, those qualify. There may be other issues such as migraine headaches, for example. Some people may need some intermittent leave in order to take time off to be treated for that and those types of things. Now, usually you have to have a 50 employees, and those have to be within a 75-mile radius of your employer. You have to have worked 1,250 hours over the previous year. So if you're a new employee, Family Medical Leave Act is probably not going to be a benefit for you if you have a serious medical condition. You can fall back on other things such as the Americans with Disabilities Act or the Human Relations or Human Rights Act in your particular jurisdiction for things like that, though. What I get a lot of times are people who are calling me and they're saying, I've had this condition and my employer is not accommodating me. My employer is not helping me. What do I do? The first question I usually ask them is, how many employees does your employer have? If I know that they're 50 or above, then I am going to then go to the next step and I'm going to say, have you talked to your employer about family medical leave? And if they haven't, then I'm going to ask them to do that. And I also ask the employee to do that in writing if possible, because if there's an issue that comes up later, it's nice to have something that's been documented. So typically what you do is you go to speak to your supervisor, you tell them about your medical condition. You may have a family member who has a medical condition, such as a child or a spouse or a parent. Those things are also covered at times. Then the employer, after you've talked to them, they have a duty, a responsibility to come back after a few days and to give you an indication that you are qualified or that you are eligible for family medical leave. Then you fill out a form that is taken to your doctor to be certified so the doctor can explain what's going on and what you need. There's two types of FMLA. There's the type where you're getting 3 weeks off because you need to have surgery and to convalesce after surgery. Or there's something called intermittent leave, and that's for people to take off as little as 15 minutes or so if they need time. So those are some of the basics of family medical leave. If you need more information, go to donhamlaw.com. Feel free to call us at 717-676-7749, and we can give you additional information about family medical leave. We'd love to help you if there's anything we can do to do so. And please check back in with us, subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to bring you important information about employment matters and those types of things like the Family Medical Leave Act. All right, have a great day. Thanks for contacting us at Legal Noggin.